Hey, it's Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. We're in the beautiful White Mountains of Arizona, and today we're going to talk about cleaning and disinfecting the inside of your vehicles. Lately there has been a push to disinfect your home by cleaning with different cleaning solutions to minimize the spread of germs. Recommendations include wiping down door handles, light switches, electronic devices, to name a few. While cleaning your home is important, your vehicle is no different. Wiping down the steering wheel, dashboards, buttons, for example, are a good measure for prevention of spreading germs. Although some disinfectant solutions are safe to use in your home, it doesn't mean they're safe for your vehicle. For example, using bleach to disinfect your vehicle is not recommended as it can damage the materials inside the vehicle. Using an abrasive pad could scratch the interior, so it is not recommended. Even paper towels can scratch sensitive surfaces. We recommend using microfiber type cloth wipes. Products containing ammonia can damage plastics, which can cause discoloring and cracking. Dish soap can strip wax and degrade the waterproofing on fabrics. One solution to disinfecting your car's interior is to use 3 parts water to 1 part vinegar. This application can be used on areas of your vehicle including leather. To condition your dashboard or leather seats, clear coconut oil can be used. While coconut oil makes a great conditioner, it has antibacterial properties as well. You can use essential oils as well to create a clean, fresh scent. Eucalyptus or lemon balm is a good example, which also has antibacterial properties. A microfiber is recommended to apply these methods. It's up to you to clean when necessary, but it never hurts to be more proactive disinfecting your vehicle. Another recommendation is to have your cabin air filter replaced, as its primary job is to filter out particles in your vehicle's AC system. Thanks again for watching. This is Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Be sure if you have any questions, you contact us at horneauto.com or give us a call.